Alright, guys, today we'll talk about iteration method in iteration or loops in C++. So iteration is loop. Loop means if we run up a statement multiple times, then it is called loop. So in C++ there are loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop, and I'm gonna show you about those loops. We'll talk about loops. This is a flowchart of for loop. We'll start a program, then initialize like any variable, and we will start the loop, and we'll check the condition. If it's true, we wanna perform that statement or block, and we'll update and again test, and will this is the loop. And if it's the test condition is false, it will stop. Okay, it can be at first, it can be at second or last, whatever condition after we'll check. Okay, and there is another while loop. It starts, and from the given condition we'll check the condition. If it's true, it will execute the body, loop body, and again we test the condition. Okay, we test the condition, and if it's true, again execute, but if it falls, it will end the loop. So it may or may end at the first execution or may not. Okay, but and last is do while loop, which is similar to while but much different. Okay, how it is different? We do like do and certain statement. I don't have figure of this actually, and we have do statement, and in do will perform certain certain loops and or our statement, and in while we check the condition first. Every time do while loop is executed, it will perform do whether the condition is right or wrong for the first time. Okay, for the first time it gets executed, but it will check the condition after do. There is while, so it will check the condition. If it's true, it will go to the while, and if while's condition is true, it will go to the do statement, and if it's false, it will terminate the program. So we saw that is for loop. We'll see the actual program of for loop in the next video. Also while and do while in the next video. uh, so this is the flowchart of for loop. This is for while loop and do while loop. If I found, then I will definitely show you how it works. And be ready with our Visual Studio Code. And in the next video, we'll be running our for loop, do while loop, and while loop, and why the loops are important. We'll discuss about it. And yeah, that's all for this video. So we'll talk about loop in the next video. Thank you.